Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. All right, few things to say and show. So first off, if you saw my last video, I did this amazing koi fish stencil with gold and red leafing. If you didn't see that, head on over to my previous video. And this is that sale kit from Lolivefe. If you are interested in finding out how to do this, how I did it, the materials I used, and the sale kit that you can get from Lolivefe, check out my previous video. There are a few kits left still available before she is sold out. So that's lolivefe.com. And don't forget, you can save 10% off the sale price using code Kanella10. All right. And so this piece is still available for purchase if anyone is interested in this piece. Look at that. The red tail gets me the most. I think it just pops. But yeah, so Lolivefe kit, you get a bunch of goodies in the kit. So if you are interested in that, head on over. The information will also be linked in the description below. All right, I'm getting ready next week. I'm leaving for Asheville, North Carolina. Kathleen's wedding, Kathleen from Cause Creations. I cannot wait to come to the wedding and see you and everyone else who's coming. Lee and Jeremy from Massey Art Studio, Billy from Fluid Art Co., Sarah Mack, Nate Bright's gonna be there. Oh my gosh, so many people. I can't wait to see all your faces again and enjoy a lovely wedding with Kathleen and her fiance Rick. I can't wait. I'm coming, guys. So that's next week. It's been so busy. It's Lucas's birthday tomorrow. My son, he's a teen. He's officially a teen. He's 13 tomorrow. Last week was my birthday. I won't tell you how old I am, but for those of you who have been watching me for a really long time, you should know how old I am. Anyways, now I turned 44. Last Wednesday, and then this Wednesday, tomorrow, is Lucas's birthday, and then next week it's Sophia's birthday. So it's a triple whammy for me. So it's my birthday, Lucas's birthday, and Sophia's birthday is next week on the 3rd, and she turns 11. It's been crazy. So had a big family party weekend down in Toronto at my parents' on Saturday. All my friends and family were there, so the kids had a blast. But yeah, so I've been doing that. And I've been so busy, and I'm off to North Carolina for the wedding. And then when I get back, like 2 weeks later, I am off to Dallas, Texas. That's right. I'm going to Dallas, Texas for the Fluid Art with Friends workshop. I'm going to be doing a workshop with Lee and Jeremy from Massey Art Studio. So I get to see the boys twice in 1 month. I'm so excited. So if you would like to come to Dallas, Texas, it is being held at the Renaissance Hotel. And we are doing 2 days worth of classes. You can take, there's 4 classes to choose from. You can take one, you can take all 4. If you take all 4, you get a discount on your total admission price. So if you want information on that and registration, you can email us at fluidartwithfriends@gmail.com. That is happening October 27th and 28th, Friday and Saturday. Come and see us. It's going to be a small, private, little, unique style of workshops. And there's even going to be Friday night fun. We are all heading to this Turkish restaurant where there's going to be belly dancers and all. I can't wait. This is going to be so much fun. So come out to Dallas, Texas, and not only take some fun classes with Lee, Jeremy, and I, but also come and hang out with us at this really cool restaurant on the Friday night, and let's party. I can't wait. So information, fluidartwithfriends@gmail.com. All right, that's it for the intro. I am doing today a commissioned piece for a client, and they've requested that I do it the same as video 388, which is a long time ago. I don't know how long, but 388, I'll put it up here at the top if you want to check out that video. We'll see how different this is to that video, because back then I was still using the Conair hair dryer, and now the only thing I ever use is the flower hair dryer, which I get a lot of questions. Where do you get it? I bought it at Walmart in the US. It's sometimes on Amazon, but I also hear they are extremely hard to find now. They are sold out practically everywhere. So I'm not sure. You might get lucky at your local Walmart. But again, it's Flower by Drew Barrymore. It is the travel size hair dryer. I don't know where you can get it, but it's not easy to find. So again, it'll be interesting to see how this piece turns out today with this hair dryer, because my Conair, the concentrator, was much, much bigger. So video 388, let me tell you the colors I'm using. I'm going to be using Oxide Black by Amsterdam. Oxide Black, I like to mix it up in a big jug like this. And then I'm using 24 Karat Gold by DecoArt, Titanium White by Amsterdam, and then a darker gold, which is Deep Gold by Amsterdam. So that's it. 3 colors, 2 of which are gold and white, and then white. Some people like say white and black aren't colors. There's such a dilemma between that. White's a color. No, it's not. White's a shade. No, it's not. I don't know. Is white and black a color? Yes, it is. But is it a shade? I don't know. Whatever. But those are the 3 colors. I'm now going to flood my canvas, and I'll be right back. Okay, canvas has been flooded, bubbles have been popped. I got black paint under my nails and I hate that. Anyway, let's get started. So, let me think. What shall I do today? Let's do, and I'm being kind of light-handed on the gold because we don't want this gold to take over. So I'm going to go like this, and then let's do one down here. Like that. Okay, so that is the 24K, and then I'm going to load up the rest. Look how it's already spreading. So you got to be very light-handed with the gold. All right, white. So as I mentioned, had a big party for my kids down in Toronto, and I've got so many things coming up. Got the wedding, then the event with Massey Art Studios, and I think I'm done traveling for the rest of the year. I've done so much traveling this year. Started off with North Carolina with Tammy Anderson. Then I went to Fort Myers, Florida to see Kathleen. Then I went to Seattle for Fluid Art Experience. Then to Vegas for PortCon. No, I went to Chicago, road trip to Chicago. Then I went to Vegas for PortCon. Then I went to Greece. I was just in Montreal. Now we have North Carolina coming up for the wedding, and then Texas. It's been like 9 or 10 trips. It's crazy, but I've had so much fun this year. Yeah. All right, so that's that. Let's blow it out. I'm going to start either here or here and fan my way out. Let's do it. this thing. Really, I do. You know, I used to say, oh, I'll use the little one for small pieces, and then on big pieces, I'd use the Conair again. I should really just chuck that Conair hairdryer. I don't think I'm ever going to use that thing again. This thing is my go-to, my lifesaver, the best thing I've ever used to do my blowouts. I love it. And I love this. Look at the cells. I love it. It's so pretty. I don't think, no, there's nothing I want to do to this. Nothing at all. I am going to add a little bit of black here because I can kind of see the canvas. I saw it before, but I was hoping when I blew it out, I would get rid of that. So I'm just adding a little bit of black. There we go. And it will level itself out when it dries, as it dries. Oh my gosh, I love it. I like these colors. These aren't typically colors that I like. I mean, I love the gold in my pieces, but to have the whole thing gold, I normally wouldn't do something like that, but I love it. And I'm so glad my client had me redo this piece. And then I got to use this, and it makes a world of difference. I'm telling you, the shimmer in this too is amazing. Okay, I'm going to touch up my edges with my black. I'm gonna bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody, before I show you guys the close-up, don't forget to take your stick and you want to scrape all these drips. Scrape all four sides, come back, do it again about 10 minutes later, and then do it again a third time and you should be good to go. So here is the final piece. I'm loving the cells that have popped up in this. This is going to shimmer like crazy. Look at that 24K. Even though I didn't put that much, look at the outline of 24K in this. Super beautiful. Now I'm going to turn the lights out and let's check it out with the flash on. All right, so I've got the flash on, and like, I mean, of course, this is just going to be riddled with shimmer. Look at that 24K. I'm telling you. That 24K definitely put a shimmer and an outline. Look at down here. Look at that outline. So much shimmer. I love it. It's amazing. I love this piece. When this piece gets Krystal Resin on it, it is going to pop like crazy. There you have it, my friends. Look at that. Shimmer, shimmer everywhere. It's so pretty. And there you have it, everybody. I'd love to know what you guys think about this in the comments below. I'd say it's available, but it's not because it belongs to my client. But if you're interested in a piece just like it, you can always commission a piece. You can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. I do have pieces that are available for sale. They're up here on my wall. The lighting is horrible. I apologize. But if there's anything you see that you may be potentially interested in, they are discounted. I know the lighting is so bad, you can't really see the great colors. I mean, that one's very vibrant, but again, my studio lights don't help. But if you're interested in any of these pieces hanging up here on the wall, I can send you better pictures of what they actually look like if you're interested. Email me, kanellaciraco@gmail.com. All right, so that's it. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. And don't forget, North Carolina, I'm heading there for the wedding. Actually, that's not what I meant to say. What I meant to say was, don't forget, Dallas, Texas, October 27th and 28th, Fluid Art with Friends, myself, Lee and Jeremy from Massey Art Studio. If you want to come and see us, email us at fluidartwithfriends@gmail.com. Happy birthday to my son, Lucas. My little teenager. Love you, buddy. And that is it for me for now. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.